What is up? It's Rissa. Welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing a review on the new Rare Beauty setting powders and their new bronzer sticks, their powder brush as well. I have been trying this out for a couple of weeks now. I'm going to give you an honest review and tell you if this is worth the splurge. If you want to see how these work, then keep on watching. I already have the Rare Beauty foundation on and I have a little bit of the concealer, but I'm gonna just put a little bit more for you. I do need a lighter shade because this is like my exact color. The Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick, and this is in the shade Happy Soul. Instant Sun-Kissed Glow blends in seamlessly for a second skin finish. Setting powder is called Always an Optimist Soft Radiant Setting Powder, and this is a silky do-it-all setting powder to smooth, blur, and control shine. This is also talc free, which is something I have been wanting to get into. No caking, no flashback, so that's gonna be a test that we do. You open it up, it has the Rare Beauty logo, so I love that there is actually a sifter in here because you don't see that often in powder sometimes, which is weird. And bronze up our face first. I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty foundation brush and we're just gonna blend that into the skin. Look how easy that is blending. I freaking love this formula. Like, it's so creamy. And I love the finish, like a matte natural finish. And that is so good because I freaking love bronzers that aren't overly glowy. We're gonna blend this side. Nose, and look how easy that is. We're gonna see how buildable this is. I'm actually gonna put a lot on. I have this lighting because I feel like it shows you the real texture of my skin. We're gonna do the other side and just keep dragging it on just to see how much we can do. I'm obsessed. I really love how this looks. This is the shade Light, which is okay if you're my skin tone because it has a slight pink hue to it, which is really good for brightening. It's very finely milled. Like when you touch it, it just is so silky. Make sure there's no creasing. Smooth it out on our hand. And we're just gonna put this under our eye. So this is it with the powder set, and this is with nothing. Definitely smooths out everything. It blurs it out, and it does make it look a lot more just seamless underneath the eye. Like when you use a powder puff, it just looks so good. I highly recommend this. I'll try to get as close as I can. Ew, I look funny from this angle, but I don't know if you could tell. This is with the powder, and this is with nothing. I do have very, very dry under eyes, so that's something to consider. And look how good this looks. It's so blurring, and it's mattifying, but it's not dry. Rare Beauty, you did something here. I go in with this powder brush in case you were wondering like how it works. So I'm gonna lightly put this over my face. So this is with the powder, and this is with nothing. So powder, nothing. And as you can see, even though I put powder on, it still gives you that radiant glow. We're gonna put more powder on the other eye so you can see. And it helps when you really just get in the crease. You aren't going to get that completely matte look. This is very natural. And the more it's on your face, it just looks better and better. I really wish that there were more bronzer shades with the bronzer sticks because this is a really beautiful formula, and I wish that they had more shades and more undertones. This is the Rare Beauty Nearly Rose Melting Blush. So this is what my makeup is looking like. I'm actually gonna set my face one last time. I'm just gonna go over everything. Even underneath my eyes. Now we're gonna do a flashback test. Okay, let's see. Ignore that. I have lipstick on my hand, ignore that. But that is the photo. There's no flashback. Wow, there's no flashback. A little creasing right here, but that's probably because I didn't blend it out all the way. My skin actually looks pretty good with this powder. There's no like extra texture. Like, wow. Rare Beauty, you did something here. Let's go in the natural lighting. This is in front of my window, nothing added. I turned off my lights. This is what my skin looks like. Nothing looks different. This is pretty much how my makeup looks all the time. Same amount of texture, nothing is accentuated. This looks really good to me because my skin is how it is. So makeup is going to look like makeup, so never forget that. I will be back, see how this is throughout the day, and I'll check back in later. I'm at Target. I've been all over the place today. It's freaking hot out, but yeah, you're getting a great wear test because I've been taking my mask on and off. So this is what we're looking like. The bronzer is still on, and I have a little bit of creasing, and my mask doesn't have a lot of makeup on it, which is really great. This is what we're looking like a couple of hours later. The bronzer is still here. A little creasing under the eyes, a little bit of creasing. Natural lighting. Looking bronzed. Overall, I really do like this powder and bronzer sticks. Like, okay. I hope you enjoyed this Rare Beauty wear test. I really do love these products, and I love that the prices aren't too much. This is something that you could definitely like repurchase again and you won't feel too guilty about. I really love Rare Beauty's prices. This is how much product comes in. Like, it's a lot of product. Like, I'm still spinning and there's a lot. I don't want to go too high. I really love that the setting powder does not look cakey. It's very radiant, and if you're not the type to not like natural under eyes, if that makes sense, then you can just use this as an overall setting powder and it looks just as great. Bronzer sticks blends out so easily. It looks amazing. It gives a warm, sun-kissed look on the face. When you blend it out, it takes literally like 2 seconds. So it literally takes 2 seconds. And I definitely think this is worth a try. So I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.